Hi, I'm Alan Loft, Senior Audio Video Expert for www.axiomaudio.com, and I'm here to tell you about how to hook up your subwoofer in a simple and easy manner. First thing you should know is that if you have a Dolby Digital 5.1 channel audio video receiver, you'll have on the back panel a sub-out jack. It'll be an RCA female jack, and it might be labeled LFE, low frequency effects, out, but it'll probably be subwoofer output. And you need a single shielded coaxial cable like this one with an RCA male plug on the end. Some of them are color coded purple, and the subwoofer output jack on new AV receivers will likely be color coded purple. Plug one end of that into your AV receiver's subwoofer output jack, and the other end to your subwoofer line-in female jack. We've got the Axiom EP500 subwoofer here, and here's the RCA female jack, color-coded purple. You want to plug it into the line-in. Okay, that's the only cable you need to use between the AV receiver and the subwoofer. Next, our subwoofers are shipped with a plastic warning. For the AC power supply, the voltage is set for 110 to 120 volts. Consult the manual for 220 volt use. So you have to remove this plastic insert, and then get your AC power cord, which comes with your subwoofer, and plug that in. The EP500 on-off switch is right here. You can turn it off if you go away on vacation, but normally you leave it on. Now, the other controls are volume control, and if you imagine the face of a clock, rotate the control to about the 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. position to start off. The phase switch, put it to 0 degrees for the time being. Crossover, I would set it to 80 hertz or bypass. You can experiment with both settings to see if you get better and smoother bass with one or the other setting. And the trim control, set it to flat to start off. You can try boosting the very deep bass if you like with the other settings later on. Ignore these connections here because they're only used for people with stereo receivers or stereo integrated amplifiers that lack a subwoofer output jack. Finally, the subwoofer LED here will glow green, and when you turn your AV receiver off, the subwoofer will wait about 10 minutes and it'll go into a standby mode, but the LED will always remain green unless you have trouble with it, in which case you can go to the axiomaudio.com website and consult troubleshooting, or call one of our audio experts on our toll-free line. And be sure you set your AV receiver's speaker menu bass management setup. Go into that and set the subwoofer level to 0 dB or plus 3 dB and the crossover frequency in the AV receiver to 80 hertz. And all of the speakers, set them to small to start off. That's it for our audio video tip today. Thanks for watching. I'm Alan Loft for axiomaudio.com.